Hi, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we have a Range Rover Sport Autobiography P530. It is a VAT qualifying car because it is a pre-registered car. It's finished in Santorini Black. It's got a black pack. It has black 23-inch alloy wheels. We have black brake calipers. Again, Autobiography branding, deployable door handles, keyless entry, blind spot monitoring and powerful door mirrors. You have factory fitted privacy glass. We have the 4 exhausts on the rear, with it being a P530. We have powered tailgate. We have controls for air suspension in the rear and electric seats and a space saver spare wheel. Inside the car, we have full ebony leather interior. We have black headlining up above, and we also have a sliding sunroof along with Meridian sound. You've got vents in the rear. You have heated seats. We also have rear sun blinds. In the front of the car, you have fully electric seats. We have adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. We've got heated and cooled front seats along with heated rear, heated front screen, heated rear screen. We have ClearSight rear view mirror, which is a camera mounted in the tail fin, and heads-up display on this model. If you have any questions about this car or would like any more information, please give us a call on 01642 644 444.